I am Singh, and this video shows CO2 sequestration at Sleipner field. The Sleipner area is located in the Norwegian part of North Sea. Here CO2 is injected in the Sequestration, a highly elongated and sand reservoir with an area of 26,100 square kilometer and a depth of 700 to 1,000 meter. Here injection started from the year 1996 with a per annum capacity of 0.9 million tons of CO2, and the capture property is pre-combustion capture with natural gas separation. The oyster sand is overlain by the sediments of the northern group, which are mainly shears and have a thickness of approximately 250 meters.
Sleipner has produced over 2,000 million barrels of oil equivalents and captured and stored more than 14 million tons CO2. But unfortunately, it looks as if the Sleipner adventure is about to come to an end. Or does it? No, it's still going strong. Even if the large North Sea fields like Sleipner are declining, the materialized ideas like 4D seismic, steerable liner drilling, the improving injection technology will now bring to life old findings that are too small to be developed in solitude.
This is well 16 at Sleipner. CO2 is transported down to the Utsira formation for safe storage.
Yes, we've done it here for 13 years at the Sleipner field.
Her en forskningsrigg for å forbedre CO2-transport. Og det aller viktigste egentlig det som vi ser I taket. Det et rør som går rundt og rundt og rundt og rundt. Den 139 meter lang og egentlig en liten CO2-rør.
This is the Sleipner field, which is in North Sea, and we have been successfully putting about 1 million tons per year of CO2 in Sleipner since about 1996. And the top level you can see here is the top of the sandstone reservoir into which they're injecting the CO2. And this other band down here is the bottom of the CO2 reservoir. And these strange stripes here of blue and yellow are where the CO2 is collecting. So this is an actual example of storing CO2 hundreds of meters below the bottom of the North Sea. And where you've actually taken natural gas out of the ground, you take the CO2 and you squirt it down the pipes and put it back in. And if you pressure it to the same level that the natural gas was in the reservoir originally, then theoretically it could stay in there as long as the natural gas stayed in there, which is millions of years.
This pioneering project still generates great interest.
Ja, Sleipner har blitt verdensberømt for fangst og lagring av CO2.
In 2008, Statoil had re-injected 10 million tons of CO2 at the Sleipner field.